Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Let me get out of the sun there. Okay, so I was editing videos 16 and 17 I think around about there today, and a couple of things I picked up in the edits that I'm going to start doing or actually not doing in the videos. So it should follow a bit more of a format today. We'll see how that turns out. So on the menu today we have a fruity salad, well, not a fruit salad, but salad with some fruit in, which is kind of my personal favorite. So we're going to have some blackberries and some strawberries, but in terms of ingredients, we've also got this little special guy over here, which is goat's cheese from Sparta. So we're going to see what that turns out to be like. Goat cheese from Sparta, strawberries, blackberries, baby spinach, broccoli head, and a mixed sort of salad green. And then from a condiments perspective, we're going to have the last of the snacking cucumbers that were in the fridge, some cashews, a little bit of lemon on top that I've also got, and some chili flakes. So I'm going to roast the broccoli, do that, and then come back and we can do the rest. So I'll probably what I'll do now is, because the light is also good as well, it is in my eyes a bit, but let me prep the broccoli, put that in the oven, and then come back, prepare the strawberries, and then we'll come back in about an hour and finish off the video. So to start off with, let us start off with the broccoli. Cool. So I'm just going to basically turn it upside down like this, and it's a big tree. That's what my mom told me when I was a kid, and I still remember it like that. It's a big tree, and you're just going to cut off the basis of these stalks, and then you're going to get them to individual florets. Okay, hits the speed ramp. Super, and play normal speed. Fantastic. So to this we're going to add in some pepper, we're going to add in some salt, we're going to put that in a bit of olive oil, and a bit of lemon, nice and fresh, a lemon juice, and to have a little bit of spice to this one, we're going to add in some chili flakes. Superb. Okay, so that is the florets. So I'm going to pop these in the oven for about an hour at 180, 190, and I'll see you soon. Perfectly exposed. Awesome. Okay, so let's go. We've taken the broccoli out of the oven, I think maybe 25-30 minutes while I watched a surfing video. As always, base of lettuce, pop on the strawberries, piece of broccoli. So remember, chili, lemon, bit of olive oil, broccoli pieces. I'm looking forward to this one.
Sweetness. Still in the jalapenos.
Huh?
I mean, it's still in the pickled jalapenos.
Still the jalapenos. No, I've got some chili. I've got some chili flakes in here. Yeah. So we've got hot, as in warmth of the actual broccoli, and the coolness of the rest of the salad. Okay, so we're adding in some nuts. So we've got a little bit of peanuts and some cashews. I've been doing these little dried up cranberries, and I actually have normal blackberries as well. So that should be good. I'm going to quickly cut up the cheese. I'll be back in a second. Boom, we're back. Okay, this is this cheese from Sparta. I have not tried it yet. I'm going to try a teeny tiny little piece. Very nice. Awesome. Okay, chopping it all off. Tiny bit of apple cider vinegar. Just over everything. And some extra virgin olive oil. Boom, boom. See, I said boom, boom on camera. And we're done. Thank you all for watching once again. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like up button, leave some comments down below. I think my editing in this video should be a bit better than has been in some previous videos. If you can see some gradual improvement, let me know as well. It's always nice. Stop. Tell me more. Stop. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.